Okay, so we've created an interactive dashboard, and you'll see I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. Now, I don't recommend you use the zoom keys for the purpose of building your dashboard and then making it fit on one screen, because notice down here that this in-cell chart is now overlapping, and that's because Excel has trouble rendering some images as you zoom, and particularly charts can start to look a bit doolally if you use the zoom. So always create your dashboards for them to be viewed at 100%. But I'm just going to zoom out so that I can talk to you a bit more about it. So we've created a dynamic and interactive dashboard. We've not gone mad with colors, we've kept to a theme, but we're not using every color in the palette. We're also not using any 3D effects, we're not using lots and lots of different fonts. What we want with our dashboard is for the data to speak for itself. We don't want a load of noise and clutter getting in the way of the user interpreting that dashboard. The other thing you'll see that I've done is I've got down here my source and who's created it, and that's because if you're sending this dashboard out, then people may have questions for you, so it's always great to put your name on it. Also, if people are going to be printing this dashboard, then it's a nice touch to set your print range so that they can just press the print button. Don't make people work any harder than they need to interpret your dashboard. So let's go back to 100%, that's better. Okay, let's move on to the next lesson, where I'm going to show you how to update your dashboards and reports with new data in less than 30 seconds.